Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about birds and animals current situation in the COVID-19. What is the current situation of the birds and animals in the wild or in a city? Now we can see with the video clips. In the mountain areas, monkey is very attached to the humans. This is captured by the CCTV camera because no one in the street. The deer was running happily in the road. This is a mountain sheep. These sheep is seeing the city for the first time, so they are exciting. No people in the street, so they happily roaming and seeing the new places in the city. They are so exciting. And next one different is in this videos is captured in USA. Penguins and dolphins was communicating in a different manner like a friendship. This is a one kind of cat which is lives in forest. This species cats will harmful for human and pets, our pets like a dog and birds. So they catch the animal from the city and they live in the forest and mountain areas because this kind of animals is harmful for the human, so they will not kill this animal. They will live freely in the forest again. Now we are going to see how we can care birds and animals in the situation of the COVID-19. This man is not giving a more expensive for the helping to the birds. He was keeping some food like a grains daily morning to the parrots and other birds. If he open the window, they will come and eat and shouting and playing with them. In during COVID-19, we are not allowed to go out of the house, but we can help within a house like keeping a food and water in a terrace of the home or a window of the home. See how many birds, parrots is eating happily. Same thing like animals. Please keep some water compulsorily and some food for the street animals. By seeing this video, I hope you will also help for the help and taking care of the animals and birds. Thank you for watching my videos.